what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can save our battery in our Android device. So first of all, head over to your settings. If you would like to save up your battery, you're going to have to tap on this search button and then simply type in battery. It'll give you various informations, but you're going to have to tap on this battery itself. And likewise, make sure power saving is turned on. And as you can see that, if I turn it off, it will decrease the hour. If I turn it on, my phone will be on till 21 hours and 26 minutes. Now likewise, you're going to also have to turn on this battery protection. Once done, you will see background usage limits. So tap onto it and make sure that you toggle this on. It says put unused apps to sleep. What happens is that if your application, for example, if Instagram, you have not using Instagram for let's say 2 or 3 days, this toggling on this button will put your Instagram application to sleep so that it will not drain your battery. For example, if you would like to make some application sleep deep, you're going to have to select deep sleeping apps and add some applications. If you would like, you can also select each and every one of them. So once you do all these, you will have saved a lot of battery in your Android device. Thank you for watching.